Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. Welcome in another flower making tutorial. Let's make some more poinsettias flowers. These are really nice and fluffy and they are super easy to make. I can assure you anyone can do those. Take a closer look how they look. There's a smaller and a larger one. And like I said, they are super easy to make. You can use any stamens you like. I was working with green and white pearly stamens, and I will demonstrate to you today how you can make this poinsettia using white stamens. So I have my foamiran already cut, and I will be using 2 layers for my poinsettia. I'm working with Lady E Design Poinsettia and Winter Leaves die set, and I will make the smaller poinsettia today for you for this tutorial. So I have Archival ink, Pillet paint. This one is one of my favorite shades. And the new technique what I'll show to you today, I'm applying the ink using earbud. Yes, you hear me, earbud. So because it's nice and thin, it allows me to spread the ink in places where I'm aiming for. So as you can see, I've added a bit of ink in the center, and then I'm smooshing towards the petals, just creating lines across the petals. There we go. This is what the effect I'm going for. And I'm repeating the same process on the second layer as well. So adding a bit of ink on my earbud, and then smooshing in the center and then across of the petals. Super easy, super quick to make. I can assure you, you will love it and you will enjoy it. So my petals are ready to get shaped. And of course for that, I am using the embossing tools. Today I'm reaching for Tonic Studio embossing tools. I had them for quite a while in my stash and I never used them, so I thought it's time to get them out and play with them. So to shape my poinsettia, I will also need this embossing pad, which is included in this set. So I'm bringing my iron, and my iron is between cotton and linen temperature. The steam is off, and I'm placing just a first layer on the iron for a few seconds until it starts curling up, and then I'm releasing, and then using my embossing tool, I'm pressing once in the center of the petals. Then I'm turning around and then pressing in the center like so. So that way my petals get this nice and curly effect. And as you can see, the way how I'm placing my layers, the inked areas are on top. So that way my petals are already getting a little bit shaped when they're warming up on the iron. So repeating the same process on the second layer. And then I can pull my stamens through. So before, I will just create a small hole in the center on the top of a layer. You don't have to do that, like I said to you that many times, that this is just the easiest way for me to pull the stamens. You can directly use a wire and create the hole while you're pulling the stamens through. So I'm going to grab my wire. There we go. So for the little flower, I'm using 3 stamens. I'm attaching them on the wire like so, and then pushing through the first layer. Like I said, these are super easy, super quick to make, and they are also nice and fluffy. They look really light, and I'm sure they will look absolutely beautiful on your project. So I'm reaching for my hot glue gun now, adding a bit of a glue on my stamens like so, and then pushing my stamens down. So once the glue is still warm, I have a time to position my stamens in the way how I want. So in this, for instance, I'm aiming for 1 little ball to be in the center and rest of them going outside, so that way it will create a nice flowery look. There we go, it's almost ready. So I'm gonna just cut the excess of my stamens, and we'll just bring my bottom layer, position my top layer just to make sure my petals not overlapping, adding a little bit of a glue and just sealing the layers together. There we go. Super quick, super easy, and super fun. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope you will grab your foamiran stamens, some inks, and create a bunch of poinsettias like I've showed you today. So I was working with a poinsettia and a winter leaves die set from Lady E Design. That's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.